These are the 3 Bi girls. This one is a tiny bit smaller. These 2 are about the same size. So it's really more small, medium, large faces. This is the large face. Very cute. Yes, very, very cute. And this is the medium face. Also very, very cute. Oops, focus, focus. Come here. Come here, medium girl. We've picked names, but we haven't assigned them yet. And this one's so cute. She has the most uniform, I think, markings. Their little noses will fill in black. They won't be spotted like that. These are the Bis. They're all female. This one's very beautiful. Yes, she is. She's very pretty. We have to clip little nails. We have to clip the little nails. Yes, we do. They did them at the vet, but they get so sharp so quickly. Okay, okay.